na de aduru so no eye bedwam so kase bon sem no do so na de obete no eso kahye bi ene se so amanfo bi be hye wo ho na afa wo de topa ya hodo bi adanse niema bi edidi djuma na wankura mu ye tibetu to set topa de ka se explosives no empenifo ye ho enchechre sanso na Ghana bampedi wasra brofo de nyida se wo mo be fa bibifo konkwasom no empatasika ye se fata no wo mfa emom aban backbench so wakasa afaye o my God ka bi mamenka bi eho ensem eho we ne nsem ahodo bi anam de so mo se bedwam so kase DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 ne Facebook no Adom TV Extra YouTube so Adom TV edemo live wo share me a frame anoche wa ba ajwa se wa fe nsem ntwe mo no medetwa so sabe ya bambo wo nsem begina brane na omanfo bi nya kwanya nkutekute tuo ne nyama ahodo bi a eto te se atopa ye wa bra wodi ho tumi krata enti ena o my Ghana mu empanimfo a wodom ehwe etuo ne eye esekan ne nyama ahodo a etimi de kokko ho nsem so me National Commission on Small Scale and Light Weapons wo mo edi na enu asi wodom a waye ntete
ya efaso eba nyoma a ombetimi akeka de abomu no yebesi ano kwan eno ho dwuma na yedi eniti na se ubisa ya yentimi mfa number ento so se ne dodo yesei ana yesei na mumu no wo hwe abibremu atoye famu ha ene ne yekoso titu abibremu atoye atifi ne yefre ne Sahel ne ne yekoso na ema ewose yenso no ye hye yesapo mudin na yesi ano kwan ansa na etumi aba abeto yewo ye manimu ha entina na eno no ho dwuma na ye di na ya wose ye di kan tu anamo de obroni frɛ ne preventive ana asensia no ye besia no ansa na etumi aba abeye bibibone.
Small Arms Survey Seed Advisor Paul Amoroso ekire mfasode a sa workshop wa wo ye no wono mu awakobie nyina no ebenya efrimu.
Those which could be preventative in terms of stopping IED attacks, or those which we need to be best prepared to be able to respond if IED attacks do occur. So it's everything from building up the security forces, their architecture, to engaging the population, and various preventatives such as countering violent extremism, engaging such initiatives such as that, to know where Ghana feels they are and where they feel they need to invest more or where they feel they are strong, and to sustain those efforts which they have developed. So,
Commonwealth Parliamentary Association womo chefan de etoso edusiansia na say 63th Commonwealth Parliamentary Association mo my Ghana mu a na wabra Ghana mampedi kopie mo ha wakasa no chese wo hwe mo pa no a enka wono mo a ebefa ebibre mu aman no mu bi efo do mo koye enkoa no ebra so sempata sika na hyehyeye ya saa bre ne nananom ene saa brofi koye no womo ede ema saa aman ni nyina no aboa ede etwetwaage won wo sansa ye bo hye ya wo hye ye wo se saa brofi ehwedi so.
Form of the institutions of global governance, particularly the United Nations and its Security Council, to make them more representative and reflective of contemporary realities. And secondly, the agreement of the European nations who sponsored the barbaric and inhuman transatlantic slave trade to the payment of compensation and reparations to the descendants of the victims of this horrific experience, especially as the slave owners, unlike the slaves, were compensated when the trade was abolished.
Na Serge Media Korea sia no ena wopanyina wono ena woye emrahye bedwam achia mehene Africa no Global President Emma Commonwealth Parliamentary Association no Alban Sumana Kingsford Backben wade nsamutu dwa twese ye kabiba menka bi no kame ye se niam bi woroma atiso atua ni nyina eye nkrofo bi aye na ba nkanka bibrem atoye ha ye sunlight to aba ma wo mo no mo dodo no enye kabiba menka bi no eni na sansa sa aye ade da ho ntina wo mo edi so wade mu nchemu atodwa.
Here, we celebrate 30 years of stable parliamentary democracy. Ours is a stable democracy in a sub-region that has in recent times developed a notoriety for reversing and backsliding on its democratic journey. Parliaments in the sub-region and in Africa in particular must try to understand the reasons for the loss of trust and confidence in the leadership of democratic processes and institutions that has characterized the recent spate of disruptions of constitutional order and constitutionalism in the continent.
Eno echi mampanyin na Adom Akufo-Addo ya wono so gina simpire so kasa ye echire mu se kuwa esore ewo abiman hodo no enye kura ye moa emaka bimanka bia mamu enkoso no kire se de amaya kase a wamu anya won ho eto hye aman kotoa so no eya na emoa.
Commonwealth Parliamentary Association, indeed the Commonwealth itself, should join ECOWAS and the African Union in demanding the immediate unconditional release from unjustifiable detention of the democratically elected President of the Republic of Niger, His Excellency Mohamed Bazoum. Democracy and the stability that generally accompanies democratic governance are essential for the future prosperity of the African continent. Ghana has remained steadfast in her commitment to upholding the values outlined in the Commonwealth Charter.
Yanko abe for 10 time fidi kwano so chronoboard ya kana se cyber crime eho ensemu na Ghana abeto dwa se afi entebana se bosome mako enkron ntemu nie no sika Ghana ahwere no ejina 49.5 million Ghana cedis ni na yo manfo bia wo mo de ni abe for 10 time fidi no so na wo mo tie no wo fanya nsakwanso ebo manfo eye chrono na sansemi cyber security authority no de mo nchemu aba no wo se obia mo ne homoden nye na afamu de se be ya abe for 10 time fidi so chrono bo no a wo ko ho no ebetumi ewie nkudim de.
The total monetary losses arising from this period stands at 49.5 million Ghana cedis. Please, these are just the losses collated arising from the usual fraud that the general population face. It does not include the attacks against our critical institutions where money are stolen or network systems and services are disabled. And these are also direct losses, the 500 Ghana cedis, the 1,000 Ghana, the 2,000 that people are losing through Momo fraud. So it represents a very minute fraction of the losses within the entire ecosystem.
Ensefofro emua na eye UNICEF onhwemu a waye e de abetu dwa se wohwemu pa no a meet aduasa ntem bia no se wodi enipa du gina ho a emu baako ene meet aduasa no obedie ansa na wanya nsu papa na wanom na akonofton mensi no susu emu eno ewo framantam a abetu dwa se nkroto mako edunsia ana sese na se ubetu boho ho ene obesa na ni ko ana so se frautade no mu na obesenso na wanom na no na Adom kase de akirabo ansem na no sei.
This is the only water that we can use to prepare food or drink, and this is the only water close to us too. There is nowhere we can fetch it apart from this one. And also this is where some people have been fishing from, and some also shanking it, which has been affecting some of us in the community. Eugene
Ansa, environmentalist, now science research analyst at the Department of Chemistry at Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. What you say?
Toxic metals such as arsenic, cadmium, that get into the environment end up in our water bodies. When consumed, they would have toxic effect on human beings. You can suffer from skin cancer. You can have attack of the central nervous system. People will always make claim that I've not seen anyone suffering from it, and that's what we drink. Yes, it's true. But then, in science, there is bioaccumulation with respect to contaminants when ingested or when taken in.
Assembly member or what the government electoral area, Eddie Adesredia at some penny for any muse, Omabua war nominated through any one more what send me ya, and so who didn't Emma war nominated said the Bayer, San Huchre, be free one so.
So we are praying with government that we are facing a lot of challenges in terms of water. We beg them, NGOs will beg you, come to our aid. Let the people also feel comforted. In fact, we plead with you, come to our aid, help us, so that our people, our community members, can also get good water to drink. Because as we know, water is life. So people are perishing just because of lack of water. We plead with
Bia na ebeto dwa se ensuyiri afomaphobia wonom ewo bupe wo mumfuo wadan ahodo nyina no kamea yese na wonya baabi kodi wonti ebeto na yape kusogu mrashe bedwani John Jinapo Ghana mampanyi dada John Dramani Mahama wasai Frankatuni makatamanso abodwoko no asoma wo panyine se wonfa akade bi ya emo bag no oha afi kwa no samena adaka duonu anwa adaka aduonu ensu ayenom bi adaka aduonu ni akade ahodo bi nkoma wonom se wonye na agya wonfa nya mawure entiti wachi
Nyama Kanema mpanyin John Dramani Mahama ede kodo manfo a insujiri enya nsusanso obone wo wonom so no na emo bottle bag oha samana naka aduonu anwa ede no aduane enaka aduonu bottled water curtains aduonu ene nyama afufuro bi a eka ho John Jinapo enegina o mpanyin dada na emu a wode nyama yi ekodo manfo no no wode to wonom animu se esan se sabre eye bra wonom ani etutu aka wonsam nti ene o mpanyin ede sa nyama ebe wonom adoye se de ebe ya won hu ebi sign wonom rai efa sa akwanya no so ede adesrede atu ekua hudu a enhya abanyase ke bi omufo ne adwumakua hudu nyina animu se womeboa wonom a enam nsuyiri so ama wonom akwa ahokyeremu ewo Savannah mantam.
On behalf of President Mahama, I want to present these items in the name of His Excellency President Mahama. I think these are about 100 bags of rice, about 20 cartons of soup, about 20 cartons of water, and another 20 cartons of oil. And this is what we can also do to help in these very, very difficult times. But once again, I want to use this opportunity to appeal to government to resource that so that we can get some items and relief items.
Manfo wasaka adoye bie eda mampanyin dada John Dramani Mahama ene John Jinapo aseso ababe wonom emmoa
pe na yenko eyemfimfi mantem no emu na akọ akroba akọhye ho friend say ekon hine na edu abebio a wotoso mienu na emperimfo bi ba na ekokosra no ne no ye Cape Coast Mayor na afa Cape Coast South Mrashe Bedwani eye kwaku Ricket Haga na wabro kodu ho no na kyeremu amperimfo ya hyebo beje nsase nyina so obeye niam ahodo bi ebeboa na makuro no akoye nso wo modo ano na hye bohunu na obi o hye bohunu so de wo hian wo ne potem ntia ne wapam wo mo se wo mfiri ne nase
ampara oba takeka men wotai wo share London wase ya papa esi na ba da otase asabe na one project team that's also yeah action now yeah that was about the team okay one more action on na asasana gada to one aso amra faso ana so ya happen there etawa afi fere wie no and I was said that police post na say I will control her ma yesu yada ye tim yaba
wahene ne kasa anu akire na bra George Kwaku Ricket Hagan eyi sobo a wode abono no ano no ene wo kire ne enam so ntia ama library a wo sha sisi wo sie no wontumi ensi nwieye
foundation do entebesha won bode omo mazene ye foundation na mfa bibi mfa nche nana no hu de ipo onyado obaye no sha sentam entebeye de ensu tuto ya onye yi akaka ma ya besha library na si edwuma no ye bio nana manyame wa ma ye gbo ehanu ya kebiara ye za ma ekwana nyamina ogbo ehanu ma ye kase obache ehenu kwana ibotum ya ye de medwuma na muria ye da ye ya dokurenti osane asupiti no so ohia na mo school na library so ohia in fact ye kaka incha apose no edwuma no incha ohia person ma otu ebibia osane senya wonzena bibia enyu a ibotum aye
Yenfree efimfi mantemre mo na yenko asante mantemo na asante mantemo titinani ema MPP amanyoko no Bernard Ntwibosi akobɔ ne mrane se chema wontumi echiemu a Asen Central Marche bedwani ya onokro ya prefranketu ni di bre wa MPP amanyoko ni mo no eye Kennedy ohene Japan opanyin nsem bi a wakeka na ma wo hu ne so no wontumi ne nkwa edesan mu na so opanyin wanhwɛ ne kasa ne sɛ de wo bɔ ne ntrani ni ya obema posifo akire no
so a wo de kasa mɛkyerɛw eye showdown ani ade no ene mani ntwa sanya sa na otrati mi bie wa meme ya kyew aya futuo ana me de ma because why ya sa ma Ahmad Sure emoni ade so ali asa hwan no omuni wiase bio sa Ashanti na anya ade a Central Region so say na the city Central Region so na chema wuntumi ho na me ni ho
enu achi wasaka de to aso say ebe ya nko nhwemu mbɔ ne nto a na onya ise wode nani asi MPP amanyoko ne mpanimfo eso no
masemu ba bewie ewo Ezekiel chapter 18 verse 22 osi so the boy ni bese safiri na kwambone so na wafa onyankopɔ akwan obenya nkwa enti aka 1 month anyese obeluso na mepe Nemo musema wo kani ade a wudidi party fo atem polling station fo wa to amame a wagimi ene sa ne ema no sa wo be pa o ma chew na wa hwe wa kwan a wo betimi afa so a ayade a party fo no wo benya onyankopon anim animonyam ene enipa nyina anim animonyam
ya so ede ebetu udwa se okọ agona kwanya ko a ohene ye wo hono mo esesa sukuye wo hono mo din na wode ato eye ampemda ko na se wode to ne ho na maburu no sori ye kura ye ho eye kire na wabre ne hemfonkuma ne bidi nkomo ho no no na wo mo ekire se maburu nya adwuma nya ntie ne enubone nom ne ade ade na ekoso na wabre asem ne betu odwa no na maburu na wonom ewo kwanya ko ekire se wo hene wo mo amando hwere makoma kwa aduoni nan se saa nubone nom a wode ato maburu ne so ama aba TV so nyina no wo metwensan pache na adwebrobra
afa ye baba ye kunyako ye we some asema me de back to say boys na se we gya bibia kro man anfuru gya bibia nti one we no we sade no ye serve sorry view all the ghettos because ye ni say kro ye se na pedako ye ne say opani bia ni kro mu a anfuru ya te ye se ye ka to ye say sa nyamanyama nyinara ye ba betu ase wo hwe kro mu a boys o nyina obi aye rasta we are not from Jamaica obiara rasta because of no control. Today we have take control. Yes, you say be ma bibia ye nti yeda konyakoma nyina se obi amwa na bibia nkoyi mai
na mabuno bia ewo agona kwanyako ekire se won hudie nti anananom bekasa obekire se enubone ena mabuno yi enum ne senti eni enimu ya won fa cha ope mu oden emre mabuno nya saade a won betu won hofo
nkonwa na o ma fa wo ahemfie onum no it's either they are taking it back and now say senior watcher so hini bi ani kromasin and ye dem la be hye yensa na ni idea
na saka sana wo de ko social media no aguko yakoma ho fi agu youth ya ho fi ani nti na nda ye be gira ha ye ne yu ko yakoma ahemfo na wo be gira ha no ye ne won beka ye beka sa asemi emmo de to social media mo won ate say ye mo just 24 hours won bra na wo meka ncha yen se nia wo kan no wa kasa ye